I spent about an hour building this stand from 3 pieces of maple hardwood floor. Most of the time was spent on dial in to the exact fit for the thickness of the MacBook Pro 13-inch. All the angles here are 15 degrees or 75 depending on your angle, and as you can see, it fits like a glove. The angle helps the laptop to slide in more easily. I intentionally picked 2 different colors here. One is lighter, one is slightly darker color. I finished them with a little bit of oil, which really makes the grain pop. And so depending on the mood, maybe you want the light one facing this way to be visible. Maybe someday I would like to have a dark wood here. Yeah, really turns out to be great. I really enjoyed this project. Yeah, stay tuned. I have another bigger project going on for the MacBook Pro 13-inch. It's a dock, wall-mounted dock, so I can just directly plug in the MacBook Pro every time I sit down at my desk, and then with the 2 USB Type-C port already mounted, so I can just plug and play and take it off every day if I go to work. Never have to worry about plug-in again. Just if you like this video, please subscribe and click the like button. You know what to do. Thank you very much.